Ito yung last footage ng DJI Mini 2 ko bago siya bumagsak. If you're looking for a place to visit this Holy Week, ayun, let me share our experience as in super worth it, promise. We went to Monte Maria Shrine in Batangas from Manila. It's around a 3-hour drive, so sakto lang for a quick pilgrimage trip. When we got there, we availed a package worth 500 pesos per person. Included na the glass walkway, dream maze, and mirror wall. Grabe, sulit na rin because those are the main attractions talaga. First stop namin was the view deck sa kamay ng statue. It's on the 17th floor via elevator, then 150 pesos per person. Grabe, panalo agad. You will see Mama Mary up close. Her face and crown are so detailed. Hindi ko ma-explain how beautiful it is in person. Then when you look around, ayun, you will see the whole Batangas Bay. Sobrang peaceful, as in it feels like everything just slows down. We also noticed the 12 stars on the crown. They symbolize the 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. Ang ganda lang, every detail has meaning. Pero eto na, while we were at the top, I tried flying my drone. Okay pa at first, then suddenly I lost control. After a few seconds, boom, it crashed. R.I.P. drone. Drone ko lumipad. Muntik ko nang di makuha. Basag naman. Grabe, sayang talaga. But at least I still got the last footage. Lesson learned. Always check your drone before takeoff. After that, bumawi kami sa experience. We went to the glass walkway. Grabe, it's said to be one of the longest in the Philippines. 117 meters long and 135 meters above ground. I won't lie, medyo nakakakaba. But once you get used to it, as in sobrang ganda ng view. You will see the sea, the ships. Hindi ko ma-explain the feeling. It's calming but also thrilling. We also tried the Rainbow Bridge, 100 pesos per person. Ayun, proud moment because my friend has a fear of heights.
Oh my God! Pwede na mag-Vietnam.
Oh, tira natin yan lang.
Sa Vietnam kasi may ganun din.
Diba, nakaya namin yun.
Ay, my first time po siya.
Congratulations.
Thank you first.
Next stop, Dream Maze. This was the most fun for me. Grabe, super colorful, parang you're in another world. Medyo nakakahilo but it's so fun and perfect for photos. Last, the mirror wall. Simple but as in super aesthetic. Perfect for content. It was a bit hot at that time, so quick tip, bring water. Overall, grabe, super worth it. It's not just a trip, as in you will really feel that sense of peace. By the way, they're open at 6:30 a.m. on weekends and 7 a.m. on weekdays until 7 p.m. Before going home, dumaan din kami sa Padre Pio Shrine. Of course, hindi mawawala ang prayers, kasi napaka-powerful at nakaka-heal. If you love also exploring like me, don't forget to follow for more travel content. See you on the next adventure mga ka-Infinity. Thanks for watching. Bye!